Okay, today we are going to do multiples of 5, and we'll start here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's circle the 5, and we'll stay here and count another multiple of 5. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's circle that. Okay, we're at the end of the row. So remember, we're going to go down to the next row and count 5 more. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, this time I'll stay here, and I want you to count another multiple of 5 and see where you land. Go. All right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Did you land on 20? Nice. Okay, I'm going to stay here. You do the next multiple of 5 and see where you land. Go. All right, let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Did you land on 25? Awesome. Okay, so you'll continue with the multiples of 5, and when you're done, remember, go back and see what you have. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, and keep that with your other multiples, and we'll check it when we're all done. See you next time.